Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a product. This is a free product, and this is a paid shoppable video. And what it is a canvas repair tape kit. But it's not just for canvas. It can repair anything that's cloth or plastic or anything. And I mean, you can get this in multiple colors. I mean, there's a lot of colors. I got gray from the manufacturer, and I'm going to try to show you how well this works. I've actually had a roll of this before, and it works really good. I mean, it's self-adhesive. There's no gluing or ironing or any of that kind of thing. You just simply cut it to fit, and then you throw it on there, and it patches it, and it sticks really well. I have some on an outside product that has been out in the hot sun for an entire summer. Nothing. It works great. It hasn't got given loose or anything else like that. So what I'm going to do to just make a point of it is, let's open it up. Comes with a big roll. Clap in. All right, it comes in a big roll. Take this rubber band off of here. And you can see that the color of this is gray. I've got a semi-gray pillow here. You know, it doesn't match exactly, but for the purposes of this video, it will work nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to cut a slice in this. There we go. So there we go. So if you got a little slice in, you know, something canvas or something cloth, all you need to do is take that, and I'm going to take a patch about that so big. I'm going to cut it. Like so. And then you want to get any of the loose. I mean, I have a dog in my house, as you can tell. So you want to get that all out of the way. And then take this and you just peel it back. Like so. And now you have this very sticky side, and you just take this, stretch your pillow out a little bit, stretch the fabric out so it's no wrinkles, and put it on there. Rub it on there, and then just hold it for about 60 seconds with some pressure. Longer the better, of course. You could put a book on it, but you want all contact surfaces to get in touch with that glue. Pull that a little bit. And there you go. It is patched. You can see that that's not coming off of there. It's not coming off of there. You know, you don't necessarily want to try to pull it off either, especially when it's brand new. You definitely want to get the edges really nailed down good. But there you go. And it's all nice and patched. And I don't have to sew that. I don't have to do anything. If you had a tent or canvas tarps, anything, you can patch that. So we'll go out and get your canvas repair kit, canvas repair tape kit. I mean, you get, how much do you get? Yeah, quick, easy fix in 1 minute. Clap out. Clap in. You get a lot. I'm guessing that's several yards, a couple of yards, probably 2 yards of this. Now that I unroll it, it's probably 2 meters, 2 yards. So you get a lot of it. You know, that little box is going to last you a long time unless you're repairing something really, really big. So go out and get your canvas repair tape kit. It's just a handy thing to have around when you need it. You may not need it all the time, but when you need it, it's pretty nice to have.